Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to create a simple data entry form in Excel 2013 or 2016. So this is right, I have created, you can see this form here, and I can go find next. Each row it will be showing here. So what I need to do to create this, right, just I'm opening new sheet and making first 5 rows to 60. So whenever I am entering some number, right, it will be showing here. So okay, fine, good. So now how to create the data entry form? For that, right, you need to go to this file. Under right file, you need to go to options. Under options, right, you need to go to this quick access toolbar or go to this icon and click this show more commands. Two way you can just open this and click here for all commands and search for form. And in this form, right, you need to just click on add button. So already have, so I'm just going to remove and show this, and the form button, right, you need to add it, then only it will be showing here, otherwise it will not be showing. So you need to click add button and click save. Okay, that will be reflecting here. So what I'm going to do is now this first 4 thing I need to block it, and right now, right, I need to create here. Just click this form here, and some messages coming. I'm just going to say okay. See this name, all the headers comes here, roll number, subject, marks, etc. So I'm gonna just give something here, Austin, and enter something here, roll number, and subject English, mark is 80. That's it. Click new. Automatically it will be added. Also see here the percentage is showing here. So just gonna cancel this here. I'm going to change formula here. Okay, cool. It's showing now. So again, just click the data entry form here. Automatically it will be coming here what and all we have created. And I'm gonna click this new. Here I'm gonna just show this. That's a simple form I have created here. You can just navigate through this. See this? Find next, you can see each row. And if you don't want any particular column, right? Example, find previous this one. So it's showing wiki. I'm going to delete this. Display record will be permanently deleted. Say okay. That's it. It's created. Just close this. Whenever you click this form, right, automatically this aligned format will be showing here. That's it. This is the way you can simply add your data entry form in the sections. That's it. Hope this video is very Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any doubts, put on this my comments, and I can reply if I know that. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.